This video, in this video, we are going to learn how to maximize cost on ads. You want your ads to deliver to the right people. You don't just want people to view your ads and they don't respond to your ads and Facebook just keeps charging you and you just realize you have spent more than you budgeted for an ad and it didn't reach the right audience, you didn't get the right results. So you want to be able to maximize your cost on ads so that to be able to meet the right people. So I actually skipped some steps because we actually created a traffic ads. So if you want to create ads for a website, I would advise you to use the conversion ads. And if you want to create an app, if you want to create an ads for an app, you can use the app installs option. And if you want people to send message directly to your messenger, you can use this messenger option. And if you want people to be able to message you directly on WhatsApp, you can use this WhatsApp option. So just make sure that your page is linked to your WhatsApp, or it will request you to link your page to your WhatsApp. So now what I want to do is I want to create a traffic ads to drive people to my WhatsApp. So having done that, I have to select a page. Yeah, I have to select a page for my ads. Click on my page because I'm already the admin of that page, so it just shows. So I've already chosen a page. So my daily budget is 995.00. So let me just leave it like that. I don't want to put an end date. I already have a start date. So custom audience, and you can go ahead if you want to add a lookalike audience. You want to use your safe audience. So locations, okay, I want people in other countries to see my ads, not only in Nigeria. So I'm just going to come here and click on search locations. So I'm just going to write Ghana. So it has given me an option. So I'm just going to click on it and it has been added. You can go ahead and choose the states. In Nigeria, you want your ads to show, or you want it to show in every state in Nigeria. So it all depends on where you want your ads to deliver to. So you can decide to show your ads only in Lagos, only in Nigeria, only in Ghana. So whichever country. So just know what you are creating your ads for and choose the right audience. So for these products now that I want to advertise, most people between the ages of, let's say, 40 to 65 may likely not take action. So I want to choose between ages 18 to 30. So that's what I want to choose, between ages 18 to 30, so that it can actually meet the right people who will actually take action. So I've done that. Yeah, and I want it to reach all genders. So I'm not specific about the genders this time around. I'm not specific about that. All languages. I'm not specific about that. So this time around, the placement for my ads. Facebook gave us an automatic placement for ads, which is recommended, but I want to go for a manual placement because I want to maximize cost on ads. So you can see now that for this automatic placement, it's going to reach 800 to 2.3k people. So I want to go for manual placement. So let's see if that figure is going to change. So right now my page is not connected to Instagram, so there's no way my ads will actually show on Instagram. So I want my ads to show only on Facebook and audience network. So why it's showing on Facebook is going to show on Facebook feeds, and this is what I think most people, that's where most people mostly find their ads. stories, where it's also okay. And another option here is in article, app and site. So if I remove in audience network, let's see if that figure changes. Okay, so my ad is going to reach 811 to 2.3k people. Okay, having done that, now optimization for ad delivery. I don't want conversations. I don't want impressions. So impressions means that you deliver your ads to people as many times as possible. Conversation, we deliver your ads to people most likely to have a conversation with you through messaging. That's not what I want. So daily unique reach, we deliver your ads to people up to once in a day. So I want link clicks. That is, we deliver your ads to people who are likely to click on them. So I want my ads to be delivered to people who are likely to take action by clicking on the link to message me directly on WhatsApp. So that's for optimization for ad delivery. Then let's go down options. So now, when do you want to get charged? And this is where the problem is, because you can't actually edit it, because it doesn't allow us to pay link per click. It doesn't allow us to pay link per click, so we actually have to pay per impression. So this is something we cannot change, though it might be available to some people, probably for those that are using the lifetime stuff. So we're not going to go deeply into that. So delivery type is standard, which is the only one that is available. So we get charged per impression, and I think, yeah, we're also going to get charged per link clicks. Yeah, so you can see now that it's going to reach, for my budget, it's going to reach 1.7k to 4.9k people, and the link clicks I should expect is from 41 to 118. So I can decide to set a cost control. So what Facebook will do is that it will aim to spend your entire budget and get the most link clicks using the lowest cost bid strategy. So let me enter an amount for the cost control and let's see what happens when I set it. Okay, so Facebook will just make sure that you spend your budget well and actually give you the best link clicks by using the lowest cost bid strategy. So your ads will actually get to the right people and at lowest cost. So having done that, we can just click on next. Having done all of that, next. So if you want to connect your page to your Instagram account, it might work and it might not work. So you might actually need to switch to a professional account for it to be able to work. If you want to connect your page to your Instagram account, so you just need to go to your business settings. Yeah, that app we downloaded where you manage your page and see all activities that happen on your page. So just go there and just click on the page, then go to settings, then you will see connect to Instagram. So that's if you want to connect your page to Instagram. So we can see the format about single image or video. So media, so I want to add a media, so I'm just going to come here, click on add media. I want to add a video, so just click on add video. So right now I want to upload an image. I want to upload a video from my phone. So the video is uploading. So while it's uploading, let's talk about primary text, and this is what people will actually see on. These are the text people will actually read to know more about your product or service. So you can see that it's actually trying to load the preview of the video. So you can see how it actually look like on a feed. So I have just four placements. So which is feed, stories, and in articles. So you can see how it actually looks like. You can see how it looks like for the four placements. So those of you that are using the system, you should be able to see all of this clearly. And if you're using a phone, you can actually still see this. So I just have four placements for my ads, which is feed, stories, and in article. So let me go ahead and add the primary text. Just paste it. So it's trying to load the preview. So you can add more options. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, you can see the preview of my ad. So let's go to headline. You can see the headline here says shots on WhatsApp. So you can decide to change the headline by using anything, but I want to leave it like that. I don't want to change it. So a description. What should I write for my description? Okay, let me write something. It's optional just to say more about your product or service. So you can see a preview of my description, which is written here. I hope you can see it clearly. 100% human hair. Okay. So now talking about call to action. So talking about this call to action. So talking about call to action, as you can see here, the call to action here is about sending message to WhatsApp. So if you want them to contact you, you can just use a call to action of contact us. If you actually have a website you want them to go to, you can actually choose learn more. If you actually have a page or a website you want them to sign up to, you can actually use a call to action of sign up. And if you want them to subscribe to your channel or anything, you can actually use a call to action of subscribe. So it all depends on what your ad is all about. So that all depends on the call to action that you choose. So now you have a e-commerce store, you have a website, and you want people to go there. You are selling a product, so you can use shop now. We have apply now, we have book now. So it all depends on what you are creating the ads for. That will determine the call to action that you will use. So now you can decide to edit a placement, whether feeds or stories or instant articles, but I'm okay with the one that is here. So the next thing you need to do is to click on publish. Once you are done creating your ads, what you need to do is to publish your ads. So we have come to the end of learning how to maximize cost on ads and learning more on traffic ads. So I decided to do a part 2 of this video since the previous video was not, we didn't cover much on the previous video. So now we know how to run ads and how to maximize our cost on ads to give us the maximum result. So we don't just spend a lot on ads and it is not giving us the maximum result. So that's all on Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Like I told you, for the if you want to connect your page to Instagram, so go to your business suite and then go to settings, then click on connect page to WhatsApp. So you already have the app, you have downloaded it, so just go there and link it to your WhatsApp. So if you want your ads to also display on WhatsApp, so it's okay if you actually run your ads on both WhatsApp and Instagram. So we have come to the end of learning how to create a Facebook and Instagram ads. I hope you enjoyed this video and you now know how to run ads. So it's something you can actually do yourself now. You don't need to pay people to able to run ads anymore. You now know how to run ads that will give you maximum profits. You know how to run ads for your business, for your services. So just to bring your services or ads to a wider audience. So Facebook reviews ads within 24 hours, though it can be less than 24 hours. None of my ads has actually reached 24 hours, some within 30 minutes, some within 1 hour. So it all depends, but the maximum is 24 hours. So the Facebook review ads within 24 hours to ensure that it complies with all of their policies. And if it doesn't comply with all of their policies, they can restrict your account or disable your ads account. So that's the end of creating a Facebook and Instagram ads. So click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.